everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I went thrifting. So if you are interested in videos based around an everyday person living an everyday life at an affordable price, then just keep
deep down and ask yourselves, who do you want to be? Not what, but who. I'm talking about figuring out for yourself.
Guys, again, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome. If you are returning, welcome back. So in today's video, like I said, we went thrifting. I know y'all, and we got a lot of stuff. Hold on, let me show y'all. We got this bag and we have this bag. So of course we're not gonna make it around to all of this stuff today. I'm not exactly sure what episode this is. I think it's maybe episode 8 or 9 if I'm not mistaken. And so we're gonna go ahead and get right into some of these here looks. But make sure you stay all the way until the end of the video so that you can see how I style everything. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, why not? Go ahead and make sure you press that subscribe button and press that notification bell so that you are notified every time I post a new video. Also, follow me on all of my other socials. You guys already know under Judy Tanya. So that you can get everyday, updates and such things like that, tidbits and coupons and ways to save money, all kinds of stuff. So I do post over on my stories on Instagram, so you may want to check that out. Even if you don't subscribe to, follow me on any other platforms, that's fine. But make sure you are following me on Instagram because I do post different coupons and such things to look out for as far as discounts is concerned over in my stories. So we're going to go ahead and get into this video. First, I want to say Happy New Year. This is the first video of 2024. I'm excited. You guys should be as well. Let's go ahead and get right into my outfit. Today I am wearing... What all did I thrift? I thrifted the pants, and I think that's about it. The shirt I got from, let me make sure my shirt is nice and tucked, Alright, so the pants I got thrifted. The shirt I got from Target. The jacket came from Zara. And I am going to go ahead and style everything over here so that you can see it. I'll check to see if this is still available on Zara. It actually was listed as a shirt. So, I don't know, but it's cute. I'm cute. Jewelry, of course, same jewelry. The earrings came from Amazon. Necklace came from... I want to say maybe TJ Maxx, if I'm not mistaken. The bracelets came from Amazon. They're going to be linked in my Amazon storefront, so make sure you check that out. And then I just have on my Fitbit. So, that's the outfit of today. Let's go ahead and get into this video. Alright, so now here's a fashion tip number 1, right? We are going to Aruba soon, okay? And of course, because the summertime is over, the season is out, it's almost impossible for me. I mean, I can find some stuff, granted, but it's almost impossible for me to find things. So, just to let you guys know, if you are ever like traveling or you're looking for something that's out of season, go to the thrift store. You're always going to be able to find like some summer clothes and such things like that. So I did pick these up. I have every intention on wearing these when we go to Aruba. I'm going to style everything over here. But price on them was $14.99. I want to say I paid full price for these, but they were brand new. And yeah, so I plan on styling this. I have a pair of Tory Burch sandals that my sister bought me for Christmas. I'm thinking about styling it with that, or I don't know. I really haven't made up my mind how I'm gonna style these. I may end up wearing them with some black sandals and maybe like a cream tank top or something like that, or a black tank top. I think I even have a green one. But needless to say, this was a great find. It has pockets, it tie in the front. So yeah, girl, I'm gonna be looking cute in this here. And then look at this here. Have like some little tassels at the end of the belt. Now this is a size 16, and I'm definitely gonna have to have them taken in on the size. But again, like I said, don't pay attention to sizing. I mean, you can always take them and get them altered and such things like that. Hopefully, I'm hoping that my seamstress properly can do, because 16 is a little big. But when I tried them on, they didn't fit that bad. So I'm sure she'll be able to do something with them. So let's go ahead and get right into the next one. And another one that I have every intention on wearing when we go to Aruba. So this is just a sage, no, I wouldn't even say sage, maybe it is sage color blazer. Originally came from Zara, and the price of it was $6.99. So yeah, I have every intention on wearing this. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna show you guys what I plan on wearing with this. So I'm gonna wear this blazer maybe with a white tank top underneath, or a white t-shirt or something like that. And let me show you what shorts I'm gonna wear with it. Which, again, I recently got thrifted because I'm not finna get ready to pull out my summer clothes. I just refuse to. So, I got these as well. And these are American Eagle. I got these for $5.99, and they are a size 14. This actually fits perfect. Well, at least the way that I want them to fit. I do want them to fit a little bit oversized. So again, I'm gonna wear that blazer, and I'm gonna wear a t-shirt or a tank top underneath with these shorts, and maybe a pair of sandals or something like that. But at $5.99, y'all, I mean, it was easier for me to thrift than to try to pull out all of my summer stuff and figure out outfits. So that's definitely going to be an outfit that I take with me. So now that's 2 outfits that we are definitely taking to Aruba with us. Let's get into the next one. Hey y'all, look at how cute that is. This is a crop trench jacket. Now this same jacket I literally saw at Zara for like, I think $69.90 if I'm not mistaken, or maybe it been $59.90. Needless to say, it definitely wasn't priced at $6.99. So I got it for $6.99. If I'm not mistaken, when I saw it, I want to say it had like a small stain on it. So I'm going to take it to the cleaners and have them to pre-treat it. But literally the stain is so small that you can't see it just looking at it. Like, you would have to actually be all up on me, which games, okay? But you would definitely have to be all up on me in order for you to see the stain on this jacket. But I mean, it has shoulder pads, it has an oversized belt buckle, gold detailing. Like, I don't think I could have found a better. This was a great buy. But this is one that this is one of my favorites for sure, out of the thrift so far. I do have a few favorites out of this thrift. So, and literally I was on lunch, and when I tell y'all, I literally ran into the store, and these are the finds that I was able to pick up when I went on my lunch break the other day. So, all right, and here's another one. I didn't have any gray slacks, which is crazy to me at this point, because slacks is definitely like one of those things now that I'm actually enjoying versus wearing like jogging pants to run my errands. Slacks, you can dress them up, you can dress them down. These were $6.99, and the size of them is a size 10. So yeah, they were $6.99. Literally, slacks is the new loungewear for me. Like, just going out, running errands, such things like that. Even if I'm just, I don't know if I would wear these sitting around the house, but like running some errands, I'm putting on a pair of slacks and I'm out the door with a t-shirt and a blazer. Please, okay. This one here was another one of my favorites. Now, y'all know how much American Eagle jeans cost, okay? They're very expensive. If you don't know, they're very expensive. These I got for $6.99. Usually, I'm not a big fan on like the cutouts and all of that type of stuff, but I'm feeling these. I am really feeling these. Like, this with a white button-up shirt or something like white. Yeah, I would definitely do a white oversized button-up shirt and a pair of sneakers or some mules or something like that. Now, do I want to take these? I may end up taking these to Aruba as well. Like, if we go out at night or something like that, just something a little bit more dressed down. Yeah, I'm thinking about taking these. So I may end up packing these as well, just like if we go out for nightlife and such things like that. These are a size 14. Are these a size 14 as well? Okay, I thought they was size 10. Okay, but these are size 14, and they fit exactly how I want them to fit. So this was a great buy also. And at $6.99, you can beat that with a stick, child. Meet me back here next Friday for more fashion. And I'm also posting a video Tuesday. We actually went out. I vlogged our New Year's Eve date night. So be sure to check me out on Tuesday. Again, make sure you press the notification button and press that subscribe button so that you are notified and subscribed every time I post. We're going to go ahead and head out. I do appreciate you all for rocking with me all 2023. Y'all, 2024, I'm speaking this into existence. 10,000 subscribers, period. By the end of 2024, it's going to be 10,000 of us. So, only way we can achieve that is subscribe. You subscribe and share my videos with other people so that they can subscribe as well. Also, make sure you leave a comment. I respond to all of my comments. Y'all know I'm not like that. I'm not a gatekeeper. Nothing. Like, if y'all ask me a question, I'm going to respond. I'm going to let you know. If you see anything that I have, I'll let you know where I got it from and such things like that. So again, check me out every Friday for Fashion Fridays, and on not every Tuesday. I'm gonna try to upload every Tuesday, but on some Tuesdays for Impromptu Tuesday. All right, you guys, be safe. Again, happy New Year. I am wishing you all to manifest all kinds of prosperity, love, joy. It's power in the tongue, y'all. So speak positive, and positive things will return back to you. Okay. That's it. I'll see you guys later.
Dig deep down and ask yourselves, who do you want to be? Not what